Hello everyone, my name is Suman and I'm here to assist you to enhance your English skill. Today I'm here with one of my students and the name of my student is Prabodh Mukherjee. Am I right?
Yes.
Actually, this is his first time he's making video in front of camera. So I think he's a little bit nervous. Are you nervous?
Yes, I'm nervous.
Okay, no problem. Actually, before asking you some questions, I want you to introduce yourself. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, introduce.
I'm going to talk about myself. My name is Prabodh Mukherjee. You can call me Prabodh. I'm from Pune. I'm a student of class 2 and I love playing guitar.
Okay, that's great. And now I'm going to ask you some question on present indefinite tense. Of yes no question. So are you ready to answer?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, that's great. So, do you play guitar?
Yes, I play guitar. No, I do not play guitar.
Okay. Do you take tea?
Yes, I take tea. No, I do not take tea.
Does your mother cook?
Yes, my mother cooks. No, my mother does not cook.
Okay. Does your brother write?
Yes, my brother does. No, my brother does not write.
Okay. Does he go to school?
Yes, he goes to school. No, he does not go to school.
That's great. So you can find out that he's making answer in the both way, in positive and negative. That's great.